OpenAI's bold $200 bet, is ChatGPT Premium worth it? OpenAI is making waves with its latest announcement, a $200 per month subscription plan for ChatGPT. This high-end tier targets power users eager for cutting-edge AI capabilities. But what's packed inside this premium offering, and is it worth the price tag? Let's explore this game-changing move. As part of its festive 12 Days of Reveals, OpenAI announced several transformative updates, with the premium subscription topping the list. Using daily live streams, OpenAI hyped its latest advancements. Center stage, the O1 reasoning model, an AI powerhouse designed to deliver faster, smarter, and more reliable results. OpenAI's premium plan isn't just a glorified version of the free model. At its core is the reasoning O1 model, designed for highly demanding users. This offers advanced problem-solving capabilities with near real-time responses. It's a service tailored for users who value time, efficiency, and top-tier performance. This plan seeks to attract professionals and researchers who rely heavily on advanced AI capabilities. For developers and data scientists, its high-speed processing and accuracy make it indispensable. OpenAI is betting its strongest tools will justify the premium cost for enterprises and tech-savvy users. The new subscription delivers lightning-fast response times, even during peak usage. Users unlock superior generative tools, ideal for complex queries, in-depth research, or enterprise solutions. The enhanced efficiency saves hours of work, making it a must-have for individuals and businesses that stretch AI to its limits. Power users include developers, researchers, creative professionals, and problem solvers constantly demanding more out of ChatGPT. For them, OpenAI isn't just a tool, it's a lifeline. The $200 plan underscores ChatGPT's versatility, offering unmatched value to those willing to invest in sharper AI tools. OpenAI designed its 12-day campaign to create buzz around its new products. By rolling out updates systematically, the company kept its audience engaged. Daily live streams teased what was next, culminating in this bold subscription launch. This reveals OpenAI's flair for innovation and marketing savvy. While the premium plan caters to high-end users, OpenAI's decision has sparked debates around AI accessibility. Critics argue that sky-high pricing creates barriers, restricting transformative tools. OpenAI, however, counters this by highlighting its free and mid-tier versions, ensuring basic accessibility remains intact. AI subscription plans are relatively new, but OpenAI is leading the charge with its bold pricing experiment. This move could redefine the market. If successful, other AI companies may follow suit, offering boutique, premium services aimed at those with high-impact needs. With such steep pricing, the core question is this: will users bite? In sectors like tech, finance, and R&D, tools like Reasoning O1 are game changers. Power users prioritize productivity and cost efficiency, but convincing wider audiences will demand clear results and word-of-mouth praise. Let's address the elephant in the room. $200 per month is steep. OpenAI's plan banks on the value of unmatched precision and performance, which could offset hefty costs. Speedier results, fewer errors, and impactful problem-solving could sway users who view it as an investment, not just a cost. OpenAI isn't just selling a subscription, it's carving out a niche space in AI-powered workflow enhancements. The premium plan sets new benchmarks for what generative AI can do. As industries embrace cutting-edge AI, OpenAI leads the charge, blazing the trail for subscription-based, tailored AI services. Naturally, skeptics are weighing in. Many wonder if such a hefty price isolates casual users or smaller businesses. With great power comes great pricing pressure, and OpenAI must prove the subscription's value through compelling results to silence critics and encourage mass adoption. This $200 model may hint at a broader trend: AI companies leaning into specialized, high-impact applications. Customizing pricing for various user tiers reinforces the accessibility versus exclusivity debate. One thing remains clear: this step reflects OpenAI's commitment to evolving alongside its technologically demanding audience. The future of AI depends on today's decisions. OpenAI is inspiring us to rethink the value of innovation. Are you ready to raise your productivity, creativity, and success levels? Explore OpenAI's premium offering today and experience the possibilities of reimagined AI insights.